on number 17. On the spot. On number 17. Ito na si Ponce ng counter seat number 10. You see the last. There's the number 17 for the tackle. Ponce from on number 10. Walang dito ng ating referee. Tuloy lang. Number 17, Soriano. Soriano dito ng pulong santol. Sila pulong sa langit ng Bisoto. Bata. Foul. That is an obvious foul. Kita yan. Foul on number 8. 7 seconds remaining. Ponce, 5 seconds on the shot clock. Ponce, drop on number 10. Basketball, number 22. Drop pass. Good. Pinino bola. There's the class. There's the number 17 for the tackle. For the top of the 44-48. Apat ang kalamangan. Ito na si Cruz Salan. Pamawi sa tres. Pinalang yung bola. Ayaw yun. Sigawan sa akin yung nangyayari. Ito na si Ponce. Ng counter seat number 10. Ponce. Counter seat number 10. You see the last. Ayaw pa-awat ng barangay from counter seat number 7. Pindit! First goal! That is a foul on you. Number 5, Kirby. On the shot clock. Ponce. Papasa kay number 10. Balik kay Ponce. Chance to take the lead by the Barangay Pias. Thomas. 5 to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Ponce, cut on number 17. On the spot. Ponce, cut on number 17. Para dito sa Manuel de la Barangay Pias. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Rizkan Careon, hawak na bola. Back on Marsan. Marsan on the attack. Marsan hawak na bola. Pero walang hawak dito. Kaya bola. Rizkan number 2 Ponce. Back on number 10, number 17. Bola is being by Thomas. Thomas, drop on number 10. Boy, big hit. Big hit. Basketball. There's a number 2 Ponce. Spin. Nawala ang bola pero nandito si number 10. Pasa kay Ponce. That is a foul. Number 10 Soriano. Number 1. The Cardinal. 15 on the floor. This is the last quarter. 62-67.
Dapat tayo pabantagan yun.
And now number 17 Soriano. Foul on number Pancho. Rolling. Pwede naman pag-usapan yan yung mga desisyonan. Drop. 15 seconds. Pull up. Hey! Basket is hit. Number 7,